Alright, what's up guys? I got a new pistol here. It's the Blowback Colt 1911. It's the Black Ops edition, and it's already cocked back and everything, but you get this from Walmart. It was on clearance for $65. You can see it's already loaded up. It is blowback, so when you shoot it, it's got some good noise to it. But let's see what we can hit here. My grandpa's all the way out there right now. We're almost out here. You'll see here in a minute that a good way to check to see if there is ammo. You can check inside there. You can see it. It pops back. I now have two BBs in the. I have two BBs in the barrel right now, so it shoots both. And now it's out of CO2. The way this works, it comes with it on the mag. This little thing pops right off. Get it in there. And you twist it using the little hole that's there. And then the CO2 is already there. There it is, nicely used, nice looking. It's all done. Put a new one in. You got to make sure you close it tight, because if you don't, it will leak out. Make sure it's not leaking. Slides right back on. Pistol, mag, 2 bullets left, and then you keep shooting. Oh, you got to remember that. And now it's out. And that is the new Black Ops pistol, 1911 Scorpion from Walmart, 65 bucks. Got it for my birthday, which is today. And it works out pretty cool. It's got thread on the barrel in case you want to